I am out in Carrollton with Miss Bracy and her husband over here. We're in the back of the house underneath the deck. Brian has already started the demo and getting the deck ready. However, I'm down here at this window underneath the deck. On the other side of this window is like a kitchenette, and we're needing to bring water. There's hot and cold water right here, and we're needing to bring water out to the side of the house. She want to have hot and cold right here. At some point, she perhaps might put a sink down here. It's going to be more for like a mud room type of situation. Also, she want to get a spigot right here as well, so that she can attach a water hose and hose down the pad if she need to, or hose the grass as well. We also are going to bring some water to this side of the house. This door upstairs is her living room, and as I pan across this part of the house right now where I am, is actually her office, but back in there somewhere is a hallway that has an opening for a washer and dryer. We're going to need to bring water there too, okay?